बहुत हो गई थी, फिर -1 में चली गई तो 5 में तो नहीं चलेगी।
Left onto National Highway 965. National Highway 965 for 1.5 kilometers.
ट्रेडिंग शेडिंग
हाँ दीदी। हाँ चलो डोडू, हेलमेट के साथ स्वेटर लगा ली।
बताया क्यों नहीं है बाइक से जाने वाले हो?
मुझे लगा हम बाइक से जा रहे हैं।
अरे लगा तो बताया क्यों नहीं?
क्योंकि तुम नीचे से लगाए थे।
फोन वोन नहीं है?
बैग में पैक कर दिया था
अच्छा।
लगा। मैं आके चाबी अभी ले लिया था।
अरे बात तो कर लेती, बाइक से नहीं जा रहे तो नीचे आ जाती जल्दी टाइम से। ये बोल रहा हूँ, समझी? ये नहीं बोल रहा बाइक लेके जाते बाद में नीचे।
झूठ तो बहुत बोलते हैं। कराती हूँ, बोलती हूँ, करेगी। मैंने कहा मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस है एड्डू के साथ कैसे डामाडोल रहते हैं। मैंने कहा मैं इसी चक्कर में उसको बता ही दी, 2 कंपनी छोड़ चुकी हूँ और इसी के चक्कर में।
You heard it right. Get flat 50% on IKEA furniture of at least 25,000. At IKEA Kitchen of at least flat 15,000. Visit your nearest IKEA store today. It all starts
Yeah.
better. With the new LinkedIn hiring assistant, you can hire faster with the help of AI from India's largest talent network.
Largest? Can you tell me like 60 candidates in Pune?
Of course. And in Thane, Lucknow, Bangalore, Jaipur, Madurai, Ranchi.
We wanna know that, so I can hire pan-India.
Yes, from more than 17 crore professionals.
How about Kochi?
To set up a new office,
Yes, and for my next vacation.
linkedin.com/AI.
आज का सीधा नहीं आया।
छुट्टी में तो
सीधा
चल
ठंडे ठंडे।
बैंक मुझे चिल करने दे, इंटरेस्ट पता कितना देते हैं?
बाकी गर्मी नहीं आ पाई थी, एसी की ठंडक बनी हुई थी।
गेट नहीं खोले ना उधर तो बनी नहीं जाएगी।
मेरा वजह भाई
सोच बदलो और बैंक भी।
In 300 meters, turn right.
कैसे
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the left exit.
क्या झुला रहा है कार? लेफ्ट राइट
जो भी रास्ता ले जाऊंगा
ऐसे कौन देखता है?
ये गड्ढा रहा। साथ कोई भी कैब, ऑटो वाला, कैब वाला, इसी स्पेस रहती है।
Then make a U-turn at Moore.
सामने भी अभी पीछे अंकल गिर गए थे, एक स्कूटी 2 व्हीलर देखा था, मोबाइल में थी,
अभी
वो घर से निकलते गिरे थे।
कैसे गिरे बड़े?
ट्रैफिक तो टेढ़ा होते होते बाइक टेढ़ी हो गई, नीचे चलाया थोड़ा। अरे गांड में घुसेगा भोसड़ी वाली,
नहीं, गाड़ी का मुंह इतना आगे तक उसे दिखता ही ना होगा कुछ।
तो उसी हिसाब से स्पीड रखनी, जितना नहीं दिख रहा मत चलाओ।
थोड़ा जल्दी आ गया, आजा। तो लेट भी निकले ना, ऐसे तो बैठे रह कर आ गए। कार्ड भूल गई हूँ।
कोई बात नहीं, फेस आईडी लगेगा ना बस।
हाँ, गेट के बाहर अंदर जाने के लिए किसी का कार्ड ले लो।
वो ठीक है, अटेंडेंस का है मेन, और क्या बाकी आई कार्ड की चिंता नहीं है।
और पंचिंग पता है मॉडिफाई नहीं करने देते, बोलते कंसीडर नहीं हुआ, पंच आउट करते रहो।
हाँ।
Get the latest music from your favorites on Spotify's Release Radar playlist. Explore now.
Want to spice up your listening? Smart Shuffle can view song recommendations with your playlists when you join Spotify Premium. Or start a jam where you can invite your friends to create and add to shared playlists, all with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
9:30 से आके 10:30 तक तो लोग टाइम पास ही करते
With Spotify
हैं। अरे बुजुर्ग लोग भी नाश्ता लेकर नहीं आते, नीचे करके जाते। जैसे कि भी वाइफ बना नहीं पा रही, लग रहा है इतना सारे कदम।
Play it again. Go right ahead. Scrub.
बच्चे भी रहते होंगे, इतना सारे कैसे बनाए।
It's your music. Right on to finish it.
मैंने कहा सयाने लोग तो नहीं खाते बाहर, बाकी खाते नहीं। कोई टिफिन लेकर नहीं आता नाश्ता का।
अरे बंद कर दिया।
In 150 meters, use any lane to take the ramp to National Highway 753.
अब
लग नहीं रहा ना रास्ता मिलेगा।
चलो चलो सीधे से लेफ्ट रास्ते।
Use any lane to take the ramp to National Highway 753F. Then turn left onto Babura Sheikh Park.
ये साले चुतियापा कर देते हैं अचानक। हाँ साला
Turn left onto Babura Sheikh Park. Then turn left.
यहाँ से भी रास्ता है। यहाँ से लंबा हो जाता है ना।
अरे उसी रोड पे जाना है वापस जहाँ से निकले।
हाँ, ये गोल गोल घूमना है।
हाँ।
Turn left to KV Joshi Park.
टाइम तो नहीं पड़ा।
Left onto KV Joshi Park.
बढ़ गया 44 था।
नहीं, वो तो वहीं हो गया था, 47।
Turn left onto KV Joshi Park.
चलो 46।
धुम मरू।
Turn right onto Ganesh King Road.
मैंने कहा देखो वापस आने में से आती है, इसलिए 10 के लिए नहीं माने क्या मेरा।
हाँ,
बोले ऐसा नहीं है, मेरे से भी ज़्यादा में भी रही है पहले जो थी।
अच्छा
Right onto Ganesh King Road.
फिर
कहीं कहीं अपन को लगता है कि सामने वाले की ज्यादा होगी तो चला कम ही निकलती है।
उसको तुम्हारी भी पता है।
हाँ। उसको मेरी पता तभी तो उसकी पूछ रही हूँ। पता भी रहती कैसी है, कुछ पैसे रख नहीं पाती अंदर। जो फोटो स्कैनर होता है उसके सामने अगर फोटो लगा दें तो स्कैन नहीं करेगा।
करेगा।
इंसान जरूरी नहीं ना।
नहीं, चेहरा लेगा ना बस।
हमको तो पता है ऐसे जुगाड़ करा देना चाहिए, मेरे से करा लेना, उससे करा लेना, फोटो सामने लगा दे उसके।
जब लगे फ्रैंक हो गई तो बात करके देखिए, अभी तो हो गई शायद, है ना?
सर कौन सा रहता है देखने के लिए?
सर कौन सा?
रहते हैं 11 बजे आते हैं।
हाँ,
एक रहता है छोटू वाला, तो 9:30 बैठे रहते हैं और पहले आ जाते हैं।
In 500 meters, turn left onto Hare Krishna Nagar Road.
अनंत का मैसेज भेजो।
क्या बोल रहा है?
आना मेरे
भाई साहब, क्या चल रही गाड़ियाँ?
Turn left onto Hare Krishna Nagar Road.
अब दौड़ेगा, इससे पहले नहीं दौड़ पा रहा।
इंडिकेटर का कैसे ओवरटेक कर सकते हैं?
इसलिए चुपचाप खड़ा हो गया।
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Lakki Road, Nargis Dutt Road.
उड़े चलो, खुद उड़ जाओ, पीछे वाले को गिरा दो।
बिना देखे, मतलब हर कोई ऐसे ही चलाता, हर कोई। क्यों करते हैं?
बहुत डिप्रेशन है जिंदगी में। ढुलकी फुलकी वाली आज देखने में।
ढुलकी फुलकी मतलब? अच्छा, ये
काकी हैंडल मोड़ने नहीं आते। बस हैंडल जहाँ ले जाए चले जाओ।
ये ऑटो वाले ओवरटेक भी नहीं कर रहे, कोशिश भी कर रहे जा रहे हैं। तीनों लाइन से लगे, पता है? बड़ी सी कोई छोटी सी गाड़ी है आगे, उसके पीछे 3 ऑटो लगे हैं।
जाने दो, गोली मार।
तो मारनी पड़ेगी, अब तो बचा नहीं सकता तुमको मैं।
1 million views on my game video. Wow.
बोला ना, किस्मत भी पांडु हो फिर कुछ नहीं कर सकते। मतलब वो रास्ता रोज खुला रहता था,
नहीं तो पहुंचा देते तुम।
बंद कर दिया उन्होंने। अब मैं पीछे लेने की भी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, गाड़ियाँ आई जा रही हैं, करूँ क्या? सब किस्मत का भी हाथ है बहुत।
मेरा बैंक मुझे चिल करने दे, इंटरेस्ट पता कितना देता है? 1-2 और वो भी है 3 महीने बाद। EU,
946 हो
savings
गया।
account में मिलते हैं amazing benefits, paperless banking and higher interest, वो भी हर महीने, every month।
सोच बदलो और बैंक भी।
टिफिन में ऊपर चिल्ला रखा, दाल टिफिन में।
लाल बड़ी लाल बड़ी।
गाना बज रहा है।
हैं?
कुछ नहीं।
Turn right at Vittal Chowk onto Senapati Babat Road, then turn left onto Namdev Virat Sarojit Park.
अंकल को बुरा लग गया, सॉरी अंकल को तो मैं बोल ही नहीं रहा था कुछ। सॉरी अंकल,
Turn left onto Namdev Virat Sarojit Park, then turn
उनको लगा क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं।
लेट ही रहते थे आराम से।
turn left, then your destination.
दूसरे पैनिक मोड में रहते हैं, वैसे ही पैनिक मोड में चलते हो साले। लेट हो गया, बाय 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 बाय।
Economy drive mode activated.
Yeah, so I mean, my first reaction was that this will have obviously a massive impact on India's growth, and beyond just the hard numbers, this would also mean a lot of troubles for everyday troubles for Indians, because it's not as if as a country we are a rich country. We are a large economy, but we are a poor country.
500 meters, turn right onto Gokuli Nagar Road.
And which means that it's not as if to imagine a scenario, it's not as if people are having rich olive oil salads that they can cut back on 10%. Many Indians, or bulk of Indians I would even hazard, that don't actually have enough money for edible oil in their diet, so there is very little they can cut back. So perhaps this is more for those who are the haves of this country, and that they can reduce a bit of that expenditure. The second thing that immediately came to my mind was the fact that this is too short. This is a measure which can only work in a very, very short term. This is not a sustainable solution. One day you can forget money in your pocket and you can sort of trick yourself into saying that I will do fasting today. But if there is no money in your wallet, then that becomes a problem. And with India's forex, something like that is the actual
Turn right onto Gokuli Nagar Road, then turn left onto Senapati Babat Road.
problem.
Right, and all these appeals are coming from a place where the Prime Minister wants India's foreign exchange reserves to remain strong. Now, for those who may not know what foreign exchange reserves are, could you explain that? Because while people who closely track the economy are very familiar with the term, for the average person, it still remains somewhat of a mystery.
So let's for a moment forget about forex altogether. Let's look at how
Turn left onto Senapati Babat Road.
countries trade, and actually people in those countries, companies in those countries trade amongst each other. They take products from the rest of the world, we import them, and the rest of the world buys our products. Those are our exports.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Ganesh Kind Road, Pune University Road.
And when we are doing these transactions, we take our rupees and then buy dollars, and then through those dollars we buy our imports. The other way around, they come with their dollars, they buy our rupees and take our products. Now, in normal situation, these trades would mean that the relative value of the two currencies, imagine there are only two currencies, dollar and rupee, they will fluctuate depending on whose products are demanded more, right? So if the rest of the world wants to buy more products from us, wants to invest more in us, and we don't want to actually buy so much of their products, then rupee will become stronger than dollar, or relatively stronger than dollar, and its exchange rate will go up, right? So, and the other way around also, if we are importing more and we're not getting any investments, then rupee will decline in value relative to dollar. Now, where do forex come in? Now, what is this forex? Like, I mean, this is a straight trade. Forex comes into a picture where, over a period of time,
Turn left onto Ganesh King Road, Pune University Road.
if India keeps getting more dollars than what we spend on the rest of the world, then those extra dollars accumulate. Normally,
In 200 meters,
that would mean India should become strong, right? But the RBI doesn't necessarily want to become so strong so suddenly. So it takes, like the case that we've seen, it takes some of those dollars with itself.
continue straight, then sharp right onto Ganesh King Road.
Many of those dollars with itself, and they create a foreign currency reserve for us. They are some kind of a saving that we make, which helps us during that phase when we do not have enough dollars in our account. We don't have enough dollars to buy other goods, during a crisis. So that becomes the forex part.
And you mentioned that the RBI does not want the rupee to become too strong. Now that might sound counterintuitive because we're constantly talking about how the rupee weakening is a bad thing. So why would you not want the rupee to strengthen too much? But as we've discussed in previous episodes, you do not want the rupee to become so strong that Indian goods become expensive internationally, because then a lot of
In 600 meters, turn left onto Range Hill Road.
Indian exporters get impacted. Many Indian goods, for example textiles, are bought at a certain price point, and these are highly competitive markets. Countries like Vietnam and Bangladesh are all competing in the same space. So if Indian goods suddenly become more expensive, buyers looking for these products will simply turn to other countries.
Yeah, I mean, see, too high an exchange rate, too strong a rupee versus the dollar will hurt our exports. But, we are only
Turn left onto Range Hill Road.
focusing in common parlance only about trade, of goods. What happens is there are broadly two accounts, as it were. One is the current account, which has trade in goods and services, and
Continue on Range Hill Road for 800 meters.
broadly the story has been that we've had a current account deficit, which means that we import more goods and services, that it used to paper over our deficit on the current account. That surplus, current capital account surplus, has turned into deficit, right? Why? Because the rest of the world is not
Turn right.
investing in India, and in fact in many cases Indians are investing outside, so net FDI, net foreign direct investment, instead of being a high number for us that everybody's coming and making new factories here, is often negative, which means Indians are going outside and making factories in other countries, at a net level. So the problem for India is that capital flows have weakened. Our current account, how much we import and export, that hasn't
In 500 meters, turn right onto Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Road.
totally gone out of whack. That is not the issue here. The problem is the capital, and the capital thing is related to how the rest of the world thinks of Indian economy in terms of prospects, and those prospects are getting worse. And this is again something that is not talked about. Right now we've come to this issue through a very different route, right? But the heart of the
Turn right onto Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Road.
problem is not how much oil we are using in our food right now. The problem is the capital flows have deserted us, and there are two ways to sort of look at the forex issue.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Dhanuri Alandi Road.
One is to save forex, the other is to earn forex. All of this discussion that we are right now focusing on, what the Prime Minister has also talked about, is to say, let's cut consumption, let's cut the use of forex, let's not spend more forex. But there is nothing in the plan that the Prime Minister has talked about which talks about how can we earn more forex, because there is only so much you can do by cutting things.
So when you talk about the kind of impact this could have, let's say people follow what the Prime Minister is saying. They cut down on fuel consumption, work from home when they can, avoid traveling abroad too much, and farmers reduce their fertilizer usage. Talk about the kind of impact these measures could actually have and the extent to which they could realistically help solve the forex problem.
So yes, on a very short notice, you might think that if everybody is supposed today stop buying any gold, let's take an extreme case to get the clarity on that. That if you stop buying any gold, you stop going to office, and your fuel usage is reduced. You just go for oil-free food. Let's do the exact fertilizers are reduced to 50%. It will all basically mean that on the forex side, because you will not be importing anymore, right? But it will come at the cost of switching off the car engine, basically reducing your growth, right? You can save oil, but if to save oil, you sort of reduce the overall demand in the economy, then you're basically pulling back the growth process, right? And which means the story doesn't end there. The point is, if you're slowing down as an economy, the original problem that people are not investing in India because they do not think that this is a great prospect will get aggravated. None of the businesses inside India who have not been investing as much as the government wants them to invest, nor the global investors will look at India favorably necessarily by saying that it is living within its means of forex. They are looking for profit, they are looking for a bustling economy, and we are not doing that. We are sort of saying,
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, turn left onto Mueller Road.
that let's just not eat on a particular day and see where it goes. Now, at one level, this exposes the weakness in the economy, and instead of finding then the solution to address that weakness, we are only sort of finding a very stopgap solution. It's like saying, let's not have a haircut for the next year. Now, at the end of the year, you will still get a haircut and you will look perfect at the end of the year. But for that full year, your barber will not be able to survive.
And so if we have to solve this forex problem, are the answers to this really long-term solutions, like ensuring you have skilled workers, that you invest in health and education, you ensure that there is ease of doing business, things like that, long-term policy-led solutions?
So I would say that, listeners have to focus on this thing. On the 1st of February, when the budget was getting presented and not much was done in the budget, the notion was India is in a Goldilocks moment. Everything was just right with Indian economy, right? Everybody believes that. The policymakers also believe. And since everything was so perfect, nothing much had to be done. And then, by the end of the month, we had reached a point, because the war started, where after 2 months delay, the Prime Minister has to say, don't eat enough oil or reduce the fertilizer usage by half. The Prime Minister is doing that now because earlier there were elections. Otherwise, he could have announced this early in March because it would have been plain to everybody. In fact, most governments, China, had a clue that, these crises can happen and keep saving enough fuel.
In 500 meters, turn right onto
families, we speak to the Indian Express's Parul Gulshresht, who reports on Rajasthan for the paper. Parul, can you first tell us about these maternal deaths that have recently been reported in Kota, and what exactly happened in these cases?
So on 4th May, there were a lot of deliveries that had happened in Kota New Medical Government College and Hospital. All of them were cesareans, and the women later on, after some time, some of them were operated on 4th, and then some of them were operated on May 5. And just after the few hours of the operation, and some women even after, like just immediately after the operation, they stopped passing urine, and which impacted their body a lot. And they started complaining of anxiousness and chest pain, and they were not able to breathe. Their body started swelling up, and during that time, on 5th in the morning, there is one woman named Payal. She passed away. On 7th morning, there's another woman named Jyoti. She passed away, and the reason were all same, that they were not able to pass urine, and there were kidney failures and liver damage due to that.
And we understand that there are still some women in the hospital battling similar complications, including a woman who is 5 months pregnant.
So the thing is, yes, after the initial death of 2 women, there were 2 other women who died due to this kidney failure problem, and there was another woman who had not gone for operation.
In 200 meters, turn left onto National Highway 965.
Since she was pregnant, 5 months, she was being treated for a weak uterus layer. So she was given some stitches because she was 5 months pregnant, and she was given some stitches in
Turn left onto National Highway 965.
the uterus to keep the body, like, secure. And during that stitches, the later the woman told me that when she went back